Hello everyone, this is Raptor. I hope you guys are well. Welcome back in another YouTube video. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please go and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will get an early update of my upcoming videos. In this video, I'm gonna unbox and set up this new OneKey crypto hardware wallet. So I will show you complete setup of this wallet and how you can also purchase it and secure your crypto at discounted price. So let's get started. Okay guys, so finally today I'm get back with a new video about the unboxing and setup of the new OneKey crypto hardware wallet. So here is our box. So let's open it up. Okay. Okay. So here is our OneKey Classic 1S crypto hardware wallet. So very amazing packaging. There you go. So here you guys can see this is the box of the OneKey Classic 1S. So this is a hardware crypto wallet. So let's open it up. So remove this plastic sheet. There you go. Okay guys, so here is our box. You can see OneKey Classic 1S. So this is the hardware wallet, crypto hardware wallet, EAL6 plus secure element. So basically this is a security chip. On the side we have OneKey logo. Okay, on the back we have some specs in the Chinese language. Okay, here you can see some other info about the device. Let's open it up. Here you can see the pull tabs, like you are unboxing an iPhone. Another one. So basically this is a open source crypto hardware wallet. Okay, moment of truth. There you go. Okay, on the top we have OneKey Classic card. So here we have another card, HYOK. Okay, hodl your own key. Wow, that's amazing. You can see this holographic effect. Amazing. Okay, we have another packet here. Start your Web3 journey. Okay, download OneKey app, buy and sell, cross-chain swap, stake and firmware update. So you can scan this QR code and download the OneKey mobile app. Also we have some paperwork. Who's gonna read it? And we have some OneKey stickers. Nice. Okay, so here is our device right here. Wow, amazing. You guys can see this sticker is for tampering proof. Okay, we have the recovery sheet. Wow, amazing. The sheet inside are for your recovery phrase backup. Keep it offline and secure. Nice. Okay, we have one recovery sheet for 24 words. Never share. We have total 3 sheets. Amazing. Okay, in the box we have the charging cable. So this is the USB type C to type C power cable for the device. Amazing. You can see the braiding on the cable, very premium quality. Okay guys, so here is our OneKey Classic 1S crypto hardware wallet. So I'm using different kind of hardware wallet for over 3 years, like the Tanium hardware wallet and the Blockstream Jade Bitcoin hardware wallet. But this thing is amazing. This is very lightweight and you can see it's just 3 inches hardware wallet. Wow, amazing. So let's open it up. Okay, nice. So here is our OneKey Classic 1S hardware wallet. Remove this sticker from the screen. Guys, trust me, this thing is very amazing. So on the back we have OneKey logo. On the bottom side you can see the Type-C port. On the front we have the LCD display, power buttons and also some function buttons, and that's it. So this is your crypto hardware wallet. Very nice. So huge shout out to team over at OneKey for sending me their new OneKey Classic 1S hardware wallet for testing and review. So let's power it on from this button. Okay, power on. You can see the OneKey logo. Okay, select the language, of course English. Click on the O button. Okay, to go back, click on the power button, and to continue, click on the O button. Okay, quick start. Next, follow the on-screen instruction to set up your OneKey Classic. So let's go guys and set up the OneKey Classic 1S hardware wallet. Okay, so click on next, setup, create new wallet or import wallet. So if you already have another OneKey wallet and you want to import it, you can go for the import wallet, or if you want to start with the new wallet, so go for the create new wallet. So I'm going for the create new wallet, generating standard wallet with the new set of recovery phrases. Okay, so select the number of words you want, 12 words, 18 words and the 24 words. So the secure one is the 24 words, but in my case I'm going for the 12 words seed phrases. Okay, the next screen will start display 12 words called recovery phrase. Write it down on your sheet in order. Okay guys, now I'm going to write my 12 words secret phrases, so I'll be right back in few minutes.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so I'm back and I've write down my secret phrases on the recovery sheets, and you can see the message, awesome, your backup is complete. So I'll go ahead on the next step. Okay, almost done. Recovery phrase is the only way to recover your asset, so keep it in a safe place. Is right. So please save your recovery phrases. You lost the recovery phrases, you lost your funds. So you remember that not your keys, not your crypto. Okay, go ahead and set up pin. Set a 4 to 9 digit pin to protect your wallet. Okay, so you can select the digits from here. I'm going to enter the 4 digit pin for my wallet. Okay guys, so now my pin is set. Click on next. Congratulations, wallet is ready. Download OneKey app and have fun with your wallet. So the next step is download the OneKey mobile app on your phone and connect this wallet with your mobile app. Okay, so here is my phone and I have downloaded the OneKey mobile app. So open it up. Okay, so here is the app interface. I have already set up the app. You can download it from the Google Play Store or the App Store and set it up with your email address, and you can also connect your wallet in the future. So you can see my funds. I have some IOTX tokens and some SOL. So go ahead and click these icons, and here you can see the option connect hardware wallet. So click on add, ready to go, connect hardware wallet. So make sure your mobile Bluetooth is turned on. So you can select your hardware wallet, OneKey Classic, 1S or 1S Pure. So here you can see it's asking for Bluetooth. Click on allow. It's searching the device. So here is our wallet. You can see here is the device. So click on it, connecting to your device. You can see the Bluetooth pairing code. So enter the code on your mobile phone. Okay, click on pair. Okay, here you can see it's showing that the verification is successful. So now it's showing that the update is available. So you can click and update now. Okay, here you can see some upcoming updates. Okay, update now. Ready to upgrade. Set. I have backed up my recovery phrases. My device is connected via Bluetooth and the connection is stable. Okay, continue. You can see it's pairing with the hardware wallet, updating the firmware. Okay, do you want to restart device or update mode? So click on OK. Okay guys, so the important step here, you can see the digits on the hardware wallet are completely different from your phone keypad. You can follow these digits and enter the pin code of your hardware wallet from your phone. So I'm going to enter the pin code and I'll be right back in few minutes.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, so now as you can see, device firmware is updated and is creating the wallet, generating the account, and now it's going to connect. There you go, your wallet is ready. Okay, enter wallet. Okay guys, so now it's saying have a referral code. So if you want to join, you can use my code Raptor and continue with your hardware wallet setup. Now it's saying signature request. Okay, click on confirm. As you can see, Ethereum message. So go for it. Do you want to sign this Ethereum message? Yes. Here you go. So now our wallet is successfully set up, and this hardware wallet OneKey Classic 1S is connected with my mobile app account. So that's it for the setup process, and this is very easy. You just need to follow the important steps and make sure you have write down your secret recovery phrases and save them in a secure place. Okay guys, so let's talk about some important things on the mobile app. So you can trade in the OneKey mobile app, swap, bridge, and the pro feature. You can also trade on the perpetuals, and here you can see the discover, and on the wallet you can go to the other options. Here we have the device connected with my account, and also you maybe get some pop-up notification about the firmware update, and you can update your firmware of the device. So here you can see the tokens. You can send receive the tokens with the OneKey Classic 1S hardware wallet. So stay tuned. In the next video I will cover about how you can send and receive the crypto from your OneKey Classic hardware wallet, and how you can get the NFTs in the wallet. So please stay tuned for it. Okay guys, so now I want to show you how you can charge your device, because this wallet comes with the built-in battery. This OneKey Classic hardware wallet support 30,000 plus crypto tokens on the 100 plus blockchains, and you can also save the NFTs on different chains in this hardware wallet. So now I'm going to show you how to charge this device. You can plug in your Type-C cable in the wallet, and I'm going to connect it with my power bank. So here you can see wallet is now charging, speed up charging with 5 volt and 200 milliampere charging. So now you can see it's charging. So that's it, and after it's fully charged you can unplug it like this. There you go. So now let's go to the computer and I will show you how you can purchase this OneKey Classic 1S crypto hardware wallet. So let's go. Okay guys, so now as you can see I'm on the onekey.so website, and here you can see they have different kind of hardware wallets on their store. You can see the OneKey Classic series. Here we have 3 options: for the OneKey hardware wallet. The first one is, you can see in my video, built-in battery OneKey Classic 1S, always ready and anywhere. You can buy it for just $99. And the second version is the battery free, and this is in the white color. You can see this is the OneKey Classic 1S pure battery free, made to hodl. You can buy it for $79. And the third one is very amazing. You can see this design. This is the Bitcoin only hardware wallet. You can store only Bitcoin, and in these wallet you can store 30,000 plus tokens. And this wallet is for $79. This is also a battery free and made to hodl, hold of dear life. Okay, one wallet, 100 plus chains, 30,000 plus coins, support Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, Solana, XRP, and other coins and tokens. Let's talk about the OneKey Classic 1S. Here is some features about the wallet. EL6 plus chip, Bluetooth connectivity, USB for charging, security key, full platform support, 30,000 plus coins supported, clear signing, preview, Bitcoin only support. So you can choose your model, OneKey Classic 1S. I will recommend you to go for this model. And also you can get OneKey tags, powerful wallet backup kit made for aircraft graded titanium alloy with 2 keys tag included. You can get it for $60. You can also purchase the OneKey key tag with your OneKey Classic 1S hardware wallet if you want to secure your private keys on the metal. So if you are interested to purchase the OneKey Classic 1S hardware wallet, you can check out. Link is available in the video description, and don't forget to use my coupon code Raptor for 10% discount on the OneKey products. Also, you can purchase the OneKey Pro. So this is the LCD hardware wallet for securing your crypto, and also you can purchase their key tag, OneKey Lite card wallet, and OneKey Sifu. So I think this is the tag. You can use my coupon code Raptor and get 10% discount on every product available on the OneKey store. So thank you so much for your support. So that's it guys, that's it for this video. In the conclusion, I will recommend you to purchase this OneKey Classic hardware wallet because it's very easy to set up. You can carry it in your pocket. This is very slim hardware wallet. Like the card, you can also store it in your real wallet. So this is also the open source hardware wallet, support 30,000 plus cryptocurrencies, and also it's a budget friendly. You can get it in less than $100. So I think in less than $100 you don't compromise your assets security. So please go for the hardware wallets. Don't store your crypto on the exchange wallets or any other hot wallets because that was not safe. This is the safe place to store your cryptos. And I think OneKey Classic is the right option for you at this time. So that's it guys. As always, this is not a financial advice. This video is not for financial or investment advice purpose. Always do your own research before purchasing the crypto hardware devices. So please stay tuned for the next video because I will compare this OneKey Classic 1S hardware wallet with other crypto hardware wallets. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like and share, and if you have any question related OneKey Classic 1S crypto hardware wallet, please comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys later in the next video. Keep mining, stay safe. Goodbye.